Nah, you know the vibe. We see you looking, you should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the saucy chef, she got skills. Nana the saucy chef, she got skills.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making chicken pot pie stuffed potatoes. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 2 chicken breasts cubed. I've already pre-cooked mine. 2 cups of frozen mixed vegetables. 2/3 cup of chicken broth. 1/2 cup of milk. 1 small onion diced. 2 large garlic cloves minced. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. 2 tablespoons of water. 3 tablespoons of butter. 1 tablespoon of poultry seasoning. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 4 potatoes. 1/8 teaspoon of ground black pepper. And I have an 8-ounce bag of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. The first thing we're going to do is set our oven to 425 degrees. Now you're going to wash off your potatoes. Then we're going to take a fork and we're just going to poke holes through our potato. Once you're done putting holes through your potato, we're going to coat them in the olive oil and salt. Once you coated your potatoes in the olive oil and salt, we're going to place them onto a baking sheet. Now you can place them in your oven for 45 minutes at 425 degrees. Okay guys, in a small bowl we're going to add in our cornstarch and our water, and we're going to make our cornstarch slurry. Just want to mix it until it's well combined. Next, in a saucepan over medium heat, we're going to put our butter in. We're going to let that melt. Once your butter has melted, you want to add in your onion and your minced garlic, and we're going to let that saute for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you want to add in your chicken broth. And go ahead and mix that around. Next, we're going to add in our 1/2 cup of milk. I'm going to mix it until well combined. Now I'm going to add in my poultry seasoning. I'm going to whisk that together. Now you can add in your slurry and also your chicken breast and your frozen vegetables. And you want to go ahead and mix that until well combined. And you want to let it simmer until it thickens up. After your potatoes are done baking, you want to cut the top off and scoop out your potato and put it into a bowl. Now for the potatoes, we're just going to go ahead and begin to mash them. And we're going to add in some milk, butter, cheese, and black pepper. You can make them the way that you like. Okay guys, I'm going to be adding my mashed potatoes to a piping bag. Okay guys, so I have my chicken pot pie filling, some shredded cheddar cheese, my mashed potatoes, and also my potatoes. So the first thing we're going to do is add our chicken pot pie filling 2/3 of the way into our potatoes. Guys, I'm going to change that. You can go ahead and fill your potatoes up. Now I'm going to pipe my mashed potatoes on top. Okay guys, once you have your mashed potatoes on top, you can go ahead and add your cheese. Okay guys, now we're going to put them back into our oven until the cheese is all melted. Okay guys, once the cheese has melted, I just put a little bit of paprika over top. That's optional. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.